This wig was provided to me by Wig Studio One in exchange for this content, but this is my own thoughts and opinions.
Hi everyone, welcome to Wig Studio One. My name is Christy. I'm also known as Wiggin with Christy, and I'm one of the reviewers here for the Wig Studio One team. First of all, welcome to our YouTube channel. Click the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, and we hope that this video is helpful for you. This is a wig review of a WigPro style called Vivian. Vivian is shown in a 27101R8 color for you today. Vivian is a new style by WigPro. She has gorgeous cascading curls with long layers for a stunning voluminous look. She is beautiful. You can piece these out. You can comb through these curls. I am showing this to you right out of the box, except all I did was part it in my unboxing. Now, I will say this is it has a center part with a lace front. You can change your part within this section here. And you might need to do a little heat press or lifting if you want to lift this out of your face, but you could also cut bangs into this style. I really feel this is very easy if you wanted to take this to a beautician, cosmetologist, and have them cut bangs in. You can easily do that with Vivian. So just wanted to throw that disclosure out. Down below is links of how you can get Vivian here at wigstudio1.com, and also links to all of our social media accounts. We'd love to hear from you. If you have any questions to today's video, you can leave a comment down below. You can also reach out to support@wigstudio1.com for further support. Now, this has, like I said, a lace front, so it's an illusion of your own hairline, an option to part the lace front, and it has a center monofilament part there. It is a machine wefted cap, and this fiber blend is called their advanced blend. So it's a synthetic heat resistance fiber that can be styled up to 360-degree temperature is what WigPro is saying on this. Now here at Wig Studio One, we typically recommend 260-degree temperature. So in my personal opinion, I would start at 260 and add a little bit of heat each time to get the heat you're wanting to achieve. WigPro says up to 360, which you'll see on the listing for Vivian on our website. Now this is an average size cap. It fits me nicely. I'm a 21.75 inch head. I didn't make any adjustments to this wig. You will see is the pull strap adjusters on this when I show you inside the cap. And the overall length on this style is 21.5 inches. The front is an 8-inch. Sides are 17.75. This weighs 6.6 ounces. So this wig has so many layers to it, right? So lots of styling capabilities. One, you could leave these straight layers down, put in a half up style like a wedding, prom, a formal event, even an everyday look. Some of you like this style. You could even put this up in a ponytail, get those curls in an updo, like a side twist. Beautiful, beautiful curls. I really love them. Now, you will want to use heat on this wig eventually. Heat-friendly wigs are designed to desire heat. And so when you want to maintain that fiber, you have to use heat on a heat-friendly fiber eventually. Some great tools I recommend is like the Indy 3-in-1 Air Styler. We sell that and we offer that here at Wig Studio One. You can find that on our website. And that is an amazing tool where you get all three adapters in one. And so it gives you lots of styling capabilities that you can use on all your wigs. You can use it on regular synthetic, heat-friendly synthetic, and human hair. So just wanted to kind of throw that out to you as an option as well for styling these heat-friendly fibers, which are absolutely stunning. I wanted to show you the color. Now, WigPro doesn't provide us with color codes. So this color code has a 27, a 101, and an R8. So we have that 8 root. And then this is going to be, this lighter color is going to be your 101. And that's going to be kind of in the platinum family line, the 1001. It's going to be that light cool blonde. And then this 27 is going to be that golden butterscotch blonde, really. It almost can get into that auburn family. beautiful color. So it really is going to be blonde with some butterscotch like golden. I don't want to say red, and I wouldn't necessarily normally, but it could be some strawberry blonde in there, because in the back it can really look like that as well. So you can see my outside view of this color on my Instagram, where I will show an unboxing and show this color in indirect lighting. But when I show you the color here in just a moment outside, that's an overcast lighting, and it's going to be a really great representation of that color. So this cap construction, we have that extended lace front, that center monofilament part, and then we have the closed-in wefting here. It's nice and soft. We have the lace ear tabs with the metal adjusters in here. We have the lace extended nape, and then we have the pull adjusters. So let's go ahead and put this back on. When I put this back on, I always use my ear tabs when adjusting the placement of my wig. What were your thoughts on Vivian? We'd love to hear from you. If you have any questions about this style, leave a comment down below. We'd be happy to assist you. Again, you can reach out to support@wigstudio1.com for all further help.
From all of us at Wig Studio One, we hope you have a great day. Bye.